How expensive are groceries these days? It's crazy. Today I'm bringing you 3 delicious, cheap and easy snacks that kids will love, even the big kids. Let's get cooking. First up we have savoury toast, or as I like to call them, pizza toast. My mum used to make these when I was a kid, so it's an oldie but a goodie. You can make this mixture and keep it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. In a bowl, whisk 2 whole eggs until well combined. I've bought a 250 gram packet of chopped bacon for $3.50, but you'll only need about half for this recipe. Add that to the eggs. Then add 1 cup of grated cheese. Any kind will do, but a flavourful one like cheddar or pizza blend is best. Add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and a pinch of salt. If your kids don't mind a tiny bit of spice, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but it's totally optional. Because it's such a small amount, the finished toasts are not at all spicy. Mix everything thoroughly. Take some bread, any kind will work, but Turkish rolls are a great option and cost about 60 cents each at Aldi supermarket. Butter the bread and evenly spread the mixture on top. Place on a paper-lined baking tray, fill in any gaps with extra cheese. Bake in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit fan force, for about 20 minutes, or until the toasts are golden brown. Cut in half and enjoy. Next up is Pinwheels. Puff pastry is so versatile and so easy to use. You can fill them with whatever you have on hand. Think cheese and Vegemite or ham and pineapple. Take as many sheets of puff pastry as you need from the freezer and let them thaw slightly for about 5 minutes. It's easier to work with pastry when it's partly frozen. Spread with tomato paste, pizza sauce, or even pasta sauce evenly over the pastry. Top with shaved ham. It goes further than sliced ham. And some chopped onion. I also had a small chorizo in the freezer, which I chopped and spread over another sheet with more onion on top. Roll up the pastry, and it's probably easier to roll up by removing the plastic backing and lightly flouring your workbench instead. Cut into 1-inch slices using a serrated knife. Place on a paper-lined baking tray, sprinkle with grated cheese, and bake in a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, fan forced for about 20 minutes until puffed up and golden brown. Finally, let's make pikelets. They're super cheap, easy and delicious, both warm or cold. In a bowl, crack 1 egg and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk until it's well combined. Sift in 1 cup of self-raising flour and 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb soda. Now don't worry if you don't have bicarb, it will still work without it. Add 200 ml, which is 3/4 cup of milk, and then mix in 1 teaspoon of vinegar to make the pikelets fluffy. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter and stir everything together. And don't worry if there's some lumps. Lumps are actually good. You don't want to overmix it. Non-stick pans are great for frying pancakes or pikelets, but if you don't have one, any fry pan will work. Heat the fry pan over a moderately low heat, and once it's warm, add a small amount of butter. Spoon the mixture into the pan, being careful not to overcrowd. And pikelets only take 2 to 3 minutes each side. When you see little bubbles forming on the surface, check the underside, then flip and cook the other side for about a minute. The first side usually takes a bit longer than the second. If you notice any burnt butter, simply wipe out the pan and add a little more butter for the next batch. You'll get the hang of it. Just keep the heat moderately low. Serve with your favourite toppings like butter and jam, and store any leftover pikelets in a container in the fridge. They're great for lunch boxes too. I hope you and your kids enjoy these recipes. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out the sausage rolls. They're kid-friendly, super easy and super delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again soon.